Hello and welcome to the special segment called as MC Pro Select Stock of the Day. I'm your host Nikki Mirchandani, and in this segment, like always, we bring to you fundamentally strong investment stock ideas. Today's pick is BSE, the best performing stock in the recent times. Rapid market share gain is a huge positive for this one, but isn't the progress priced in with the stock delivering multifold returns? Let's figure that out. Let's get the basics first out of the way. Let's get to know more about the company, which stands as the second largest exchange in both cash equities and derivatives, trailing behind NSE, which maintains its leadership position across the board. BSE's cash equity market shares reached 7% by the end of September. Sundaraman Ramamurthy assumed the role of CEO in January and swiftly implemented measures to revitalize the company. Notably, significant changes were introduced across all three key segments, including cash equity, currency derivatives, and equity derivatives put together. What explains a staggering rally in the stock? Well, the stock prices has surprised significantly, soaring over 400% over the past 1 year and reaching a new peak this month. Efforts to boost trading volume, especially in the equity derivative segments, have been fruitful. Notably, BSE has transitioned well from a value stock to a growth stock. These transformations are uncommon and often result in non-linear rewards. Now, strong earning growth in Q3 FY24 is also one of the trigger points for this company. In Q3, the company achieved its highest ever quarterly revenue, driven by increased transaction income across various segments, including equity, equity derivatives, mutual fund distribution. The growth momentum persisted in BSE Star, the mutual fund distribution platform. However, the EBITDA margin decreased to 25% from 45% in Q2 FY24. The decline was primarily due to an elevated contribution to Settlements Guarantee Fund (SGF), resulting in margin compression of the company. Now, surge in trading volumes, sharp gain in market share in derivative segment is the second trigger point of this one. In the first 9 months of FY24, BSE has seen a notable 28% increase in average daily turnover (ADTO) in cash equity. However, its market share in cash equity segment remains modest, standing at around 7.6% in Q3 FY24. On the other hand, progress in equity derivatives has been remarkable by the company. BSE's market share in terms of the total turnover in the equity derivative segment surged to 13% in Jan 2024 from 0 in April 2023. Now, BSE has reintroduced Sensex and Bankex derivative contracts in May 2023, along with reducing the lot sizes and changing expiry days. Monetization efforts to support future earning growth, another reason there for you. BSE has raised in the transaction charges on Sensex options starting from November 1st, 2023. In Q3 of the present financial year, the gross revenue from equity derivative segment skyrocketed to a number of 56 crore compared to nearly 5 crore in Q2 FY24. The derivative segment is anticipated to experience solid revenue growth due to gradual price hike across all the products. Meanwhile, BSE's mutual fund distribution platform, BSE Star Mutual Fund, maintains its upward trajectory. Additionally, other avenues for long-term earnings growth, including commodities, INX, SME listing, and EBIX insurance broking, also add to the positive. Now, the real question that you'd ask is there more steam left in the stock? Despite the stock's rally, there has been an upgrade in earning. BSE is currently trading at 45 times its 1-year estimated core earnings. The significant re-rating of the stock's valuation is attributed to market share gains. Investors, according to MC Pro analysts, can now anticipate exponential growth in the earnings, which is expected to further drive in the upside performance of the company. Now, in terms of risk, BSE is pretty much vulnerable to downturns in the equity markets and adverse regulatory alterations, both of which can adversely affect the trading volume and the exchange profitability put together. With this, it's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in.